This segment will provide some safety, operation, and maintenance tips for your new Craftsman 42-inch lawn sweeper. Read all safety warnings, instructions, illustrations, and specifications provided with this tool in the owner's manual. Failure to follow all instructions listed below may result in fire and/or serious injury. Never modify the product or any part of it. Damage or personal injury could result. To reduce the risk of injury, read the instruction manual. Read the owner's manual carefully before operating and service instructions before attempting to assemble and/or operate this equipment. Follow the maintenance instructions as outlined in the owner's manual.
Never allow children to handle the sweeper. Never allow anyone to ride on the sweeper. Always wear footwear when working with the sweeper. Never operate the sweeper if foreign matter is stuck in the brushes. Turn off the vehicle engine, remove the foreign matter, and check for damage. If the sweeper is damaged, repair before continuing to operate. Check the loading capacity of the towing vehicle and only sweep appropriate amounts of grass and leaves into the grass bag. Before you begin, make sure the sweeper retains its balance and does not overturn. Do not work on slopes greater than 10 degrees. Do not exceed 6 miles an hour.
Drive slowly and carefully, especially when turning and on uneven ground. The driving and braking characteristics depend on the towed load.
Always keep the sweeper away from fire. Excessive heat can damage the brushes and grass bag and could cause the bag to burn. Always empty the grass bag before storing the sweeper. Spontaneous combustion may occur. To attach the sweeper to a tractor, park the tow vehicle and sweeper on flat level ground. Attach the sweeper to the tractor. Make sure the drawbar is level to the ground. The brushes should penetrate the grass ½ an inch for best results. To set the brush height, remove the height selector and push down on the handle to raise the brushes, or pull up to lower them. Then replace the pin and secure it. To empty the bag, stop the towing vehicle and turn off the engine. Empty the grass bag by pulling on the rope. To use the offset hitch, loosen the drawbar bracket. Slide the drawbar to the left or right end of the sweeper housing. Then tighten the drawbar bracket. To store the sweeper when not in use, remove the hopper. Then pull the pin from the drawbar bracket and swivel the drawbar to the side. Replace the pin for safekeeping. Pull the pins from the bag arms and swivel them inwards. Then carefully remove the hopper support rods and collapse the hopper bag. Make sure to refer to the owner's manual for brush replacement, wheel removal, and other safety and maintenance tips. Congratulations! Your new Craftsman 42-inch lawn sweeper is now fully assembled and ready to use. For additional help or replacement parts, please call 1-888-331-4569 from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, or visit www.speedepart.com to purchase replacement parts. Craftsman, we build pride.